لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة قد نرى تقلب وجهك في السماء فلنولينك قبلة ترضاها فولي وجهك شطر المسجد الحرام وحيث ما كنتم فولوا وجوهكم شطرة وإن الذين أوتوا الكتاب ليعلمون أنه الحق من ربهم وما الله بغافل عما يعملون. Translation: We have certainly seen you turning your face towards heaven often, O Muhammad, peace be upon him, and we will surely make you turn your face in the prayer towards the Qibla that will please you. So turn your face toward Al Masjid Al Haram, the sacred mosque of Mecca, for prayer, and wherever you believers are, you turn your faces in its direction for prayers. Indeed, those who have received the book know well that this is the truth from their Rabb, and Allah is not unaware of what they do. Hazrat Ibn Abbas anha narrated that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when he was in Medina and he used to pray facing Baitul Maqdas, after the Salah he would look towards the heavens, towards the sky, in anticipation and wait that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will send an order to make the Kaaba Sharif Qibla. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent this ayah. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam prayed 16 or 17 months after migration facing Baitul Maqdis, but he was looking forward for the order of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that Allah give him order to face Kaaba for prayers, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave this order. Now, in this ayah, it's interesting to see that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave a glad tiding first and then right after the order. And he said, and we will surely make you turn your face in the prayer towards a qibla that will please you. So this is the glad tiding, and then right after that he gave the order. So turn your face toward Al Masjid Al Haram, the sacred mosque of Mecca, for prayer. And it's also to be noted that Allah gave this order to face the Masjid Al Haram. So whoever is in in any country or any city outside, the Masjid al-Haram, will be facing towards Masjid al-Haram, but whoever is inside the Masjid al-Haram will face towards Kaaba for the Salah. And one more important thing, that the Muslims are present all around Masjid al-Haram, like from east, west, north, south. So some Muslims are facing east, some Muslims are facing west, north, south, all direction they are facing to face the Masjid al-Haram. And this proves what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, that Lillahi al-mashriqi wal-maghrib, that for Allah is the east and west. And one more thing, that in the end Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that those who were given the book knew that this Qibla is the right Qibla, and the Kaaba is the right Qibla, because they know that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the true prophet, and true prophet never lies. So when Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave the order to face Kaaba, they knew that this is the right thing. One more thing, that they also knew that Ibrahim alayhi salam had the same Qibla. And finally, when this ayah came, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was praying the Salah of Zuhr in Masjid Bani Salma, and 2 rakahs he faced Baitul Maqdis, and then the ayah came and the 2 rakah he faced towards the Kaaba, and that's the reason this masjid is known as Masjid al-Qiblatayn, meaning that masjid of 2 qiblas. Oh Allah, give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.